Chromatic aberration, or color fringing, is a distortion that creates a colored outline along the edge of an object in a photograph, especially where there's contrast between light and dark. It occurs more often in older or cheaper cameras and lenses. To remove these chromatic aberrations, we will start in the Lens Corrections panel and in the Profile section, tick the Remove Chromatic Aberration box. In some cases, using Remove Chromatic Aberration will not be enough. In the Manual section under Defringe, we have adjustments for purple and green. In this case, moving the purple slider to 20 removes the purple distortion. Doing the same with the green slider is not as effective. This is because the green fringing is more turquoise in color. So we need to shift our green hue in that direction. Beware, if you make the hue scope too wide, it will damage other colors in the photo. An easier way to select the right hue is to use the Fringe Color Selector or eyedropper tool and click on the offending color in the photo. A more accurate hue is focused on, and an appropriate amount of green defringe is applied. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.